And from that altitude, Eric can actually travel miles without any power and modulate that energy to land the airplane. Welcome to our show, Eric Tucker, power off the Hornets, 7 EA-18G Growler. 5 miles an hour. It's not a going places airplane, but it absolutely is the most fun aircraft in the sky. Eric Bott continue to watch and enjoy Eric Tucker and the dead stick of the Piper Cub. 500. Today, we will get a chance to see 2 Growlers in flight, and momentarily we'll be turning things over to them. And now to tell you all about it from Electronic Attack Squadron 129, please welcome Lieutenant Brianna Balunas.
44,000 pounds of American thrust of its own twin by the professional maintenance team at Electronic Attack Squadron 129, representing them in his career. Executes the Cobra maneuver, showcasing the graphics of the fly-by-wire logic and self-reading capabilities. Flight operations around Navy aircraft carrier pose a unique set of challenges that only the best of the best. All right, folks, from the left, the carrier brake.
We should have been, but you lost it, but now you got it from me. Find a seat, rain is hot and see. But we finally peaked.
On behalf of the rest of the Growler Legacy team, I would like to extend my greatest thanks to everyone out in the crowd today. We can't do it without y'all's support. Thank you.